Hey YouTube, welcome back to Elsisco TV. This is your favorite bearded chef Elsisco, and today we got a special request from Michelle Cox, so we're making curry chicken. Let's get right into it. So first, we're gonna dice up our onions. My onion size, I like them about medium small, so that's what I'm rocking with today. Whatever makes you comfortable, that's what you should do. But for me, I'm gonna make, as you can see here, a small to medium dice. Next, we're gonna dice up our potatoes. I'm gonna make some about the same medium small dices. We're gonna keep all our vegetables similar sizes so they all cook and finish around the same time. Also, I'm adding my potatoes to water so that they don't brown while they wait. Next, we're gonna slice up our scallion or green onions. Slice those up, put them to the side. Next is our Scotch bonnet pepper. And all the quantities will be down in the description, so if I don't mention in the video, just check there and you should be all set. For our Scotch bonnet peppers, we're gonna just slice those up. I have 1.5 Scotch bonnet peppers. Depending on the heat level you like, if you don't like heat at all, you can leave the Scotch bonnet pepper out. With our garlic, we're just gonna slice those up and then we're gonna mince them. So as you can see here, just take the back of the knife, smash it, give it a nice little chop. If you have them all chopped up, you can dice it. The chicken is the next. What I'm gonna do is break down the whole chicken. If you don't wanna break down the whole chicken, make it easier on yourself, you can buy the pre-cut curry chicken pack at the Publix or whatever store is close to you, or you can buy some leg quarters and cut those up, whatever works best for you. But I'm gonna break down the whole chicken here. I kind of like the process, and you get different cuts of meat in my curry chicken. I get some thighs, I get some wing, I get some breasts, get a universal selection from the whole chicken here. I do have a video of how to break down a whole chicken, or it's not speed up. I have this video ×3, so you don't have to watch the whole thing here. So you can check that out. I'll give that a link here. So with my chicken pieces, I'm just gonna make them into smaller pieces for the curry. Whatever size you want your pieces, as I said, go for it. This is our recipe, so you can make it a variation, or you can, do it exactly how I'm doing it. Whatever works best for you. All the pieces are cut up, we're gonna go ahead and clean our chicken. I'm adding vinegar, and off camera I added some water, let that soak for a couple minutes. Now the fun part, let's start seasoning. We're gonna start off by pouring our diced onions into our bowl of chicken. Next we're gonna take our bowl with our scallion, our Scotch bonnet pepper, couple sprigs of thyme, and our garlic. Also pour that into the bowl. All right, our spices. First, we're gonna add our black pepper. Next, we're gonna add some complete seasoning. Then the star of the show, the curry. I'm gonna add some curry to the bowl also. All quantities, sizes, all that good stuff. It's gonna be in the description, so just check that out. Next, we're gonna add our salt. I like kosher salt, but you're free to add whatever type of salt you like. After we add our salt, we're gonna add some olive oil. And I'm adding the olive oil to the bowl now, so later on, I don't have to add any additional olive oil to the pot. So this is the only oil we're gonna be using. We don't want our curry chicken to be oily. And just get your hand in there. Wear some gloves, because curry does stain. So if you don't want curry stained hands for a couple days, I recommend definitely wear some gloves. Get it all in there, massage the chicken, get it right. Then we're gonna set that to the side. You can let it sit, marinate, as long as you like. I just let mine sit, about 5 to 10 minutes. Let all the juices and flavors soak up into the chicken. So as we season, adjust the seasoning as you see fit. Here I add a little bit more curry to give that more curry and bright look and flavor. So you could adjust at any point during the cooking process. Add a little bit of this, add a little bit of that. So we're gonna let this marinate for a little bit, and then we're gonna start the cooking process. Alright, so in a medium-high pot, we're just gonna put our chicken right into it. So no additional oil, no oily curry chicken on this side. So just, put our chicken in the pot and let it do its thing. When our meat hit the pot, that's the sizzle you want. You want that little slight sizzle, not too harsh. So, make sure you get all the goodness in there. Scrape it all in there. All of that. That's flavor right there. Go ahead and cover that. And let the pot create its own liquids. That's how you want your pot lid to look. And then like that. Let's take a look. Alright, so it's been cooking for a couple minutes here. Start to see it start bubbling up. Still got a ways to go. But you want to go ahead and, stir occasionally. Make sure anything don't get stuck to the bottom of the pot. Get things moving. Make sure everything is cooked. Make sure everything is looking good. So our potatoes are gonna go in, liquid and all. Give it another stir. And you shouldn't need no additional liquid, but during the cooking process, we're gonna go ahead and adjust that as needed. If you see fit to add a little bit more water, definitely go ahead and do that. So here, we've been cooking it for another couple minutes, another 10 to 15 minutes or so. You see we're getting that darker, deeper curry flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste here. Make sure you taste during the cooking process. That's important. All right, guys, we're coming to the end. Coming to the end. All right, it's almost a reveal. Our curry chicken. Make sure y'all give thanks. Take a bite Enjoy. Catch you later. Peace.